the 2011 Nissan Murano. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.